Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the Lincoln Navigator and Nissan Patrol. These full-size SUVs offer distinct approaches to luxury and capability. The Navigator emphasizes American luxury and comfort, while the Patrol is known for its ruggedness and global appeal. We'll explore their unique strengths and help you understand which might be the better fit for your needs, whether on city streets or challenging terrains. Under the hood, the Navigator usually sports a potent twin-turbo V6, providing smooth power delivery. The Patrol, on the other hand, often comes with a naturally aspirated V8, known for its durability and strong low-end torque. While both offer impressive towing capacities exceeding 8,000 pounds, the Patrol often has more advanced four-wheel drive systems, making it a formidable off-road contender. Inside, the Navigator provides a truly luxurious experience with high-quality materials, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort. The Patrol's interior is also spacious and well-appointed, focusing more on durability and functionality, especially for adventurous use. Both SUVs offer seating for up to 8 passengers and come equipped with large infotainment screens and modern connectivity features to keep everyone entertained. When considering value, the Navigator typically commands a higher price, reflecting its premium American luxury and advanced features. The Patrol, however, offers exceptional capability and a strong reputation for reliability, often at a more accessible price point. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize ultimate comfort and cutting-edge technology or rugged, go-anywhere performance. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.